Check it out, folks. Ben from Catch Pro here. Today we've got the Bad range of boots new to Catch Pro, and I was going to give you a rough overview of all the different styles that we're carrying, different colors, sizes. So let's get straight into it. We've got the Bad Storm boots here, guys. Now we're carrying these in sizes from 8 through to 12. We are carrying these in the stone color and the wheat color, which is a little bit more of the traditional color. So some features about this boot, guys. This is going to be pretty much an everyday boot for guys that are running a lot of mileage. Any of you guys on the mowers that are going to be, doing tons and tons of steps. This boot is going to be a pretty comfortable boot to wear all day. It is a higher boot, so you get pretty good support. Comes with orthopedic soles, which is really cool. Heavy duty buckles and zips, YKK zips, which is the industry standard and industry leader for these boots. So the Storm boot is going to be very, very durable boot. Now, while we're on the Storm boot, what I'll show you is the Cyclone boot. So this Cyclone boot is another one that is going to be pretty much one of your everyday generic type boot for the average working person. This Cyclone boot is a slightly lower cut, which I personally really like. This is actually the boot that I've been wearing for a couple of months now. I've got it here in the stone color, and obviously mine are dirty. I wear these for about 12 to 14 hours a day, guys. So Rusty's wearing these ones as well. So the Cyclone and your Storm is pretty much the safest option for an all-round durable work boot. And if you want something a little bit suave and a little bit upper scale, guys, we have the Bad Signature boot. Now, I reckon these look fresh as in stone. When you get the stone color, you get some highlighted bits, which I think, look, most of this stuff is just visual. It is a full waterproof boot, guys, so waterproof up to about here. So when you're working really dewy mornings, this rain that we've got swinging in and out, this will keep you dry. We do carry this in the wheat color as well. Both of these styles look very stylish and look good, but I gotta say, I'm kind of a lover of these stone ones. I see myself getting a pair of these and not necessarily working in them, maybe like a quoting or a meeting boot. That's just me though. So check out the Signature boot. Once again, orthopedic soles, fully waterproof, and pretty bloody good looking, to be honest. The last of the range is the Surge. Now this is more of an old school traditional boot for all of you guys and girls that like to just bung them on and slip them on with and don't want to have to worry about laces or zips. I still think the zip and lace option is a good option, but we're carrying this boot, guys, $99. Good durable boot. This only does come in black, but for $99 it's still a great option. So jump on the website, guys, check them out. Anyone who's getting any of these boots, send us all your photos and everything of you guys working hard in your boots, and enjoy. Thank you.